and welcome back to my channel. So here we go again with another DIY project. So last time I cut my bangs and I must say I'm still pretty surprised at how it turned out. And I guess I don't know what's with my hair right now, but it grew pretty fast, so I will actually be trimming it within the week probably. I don't know if you can tell, but my growth is insane. My real hair color is pretty dark, so it's like dark brown, almost black. My hair color now, it doesn't really look that cute anymore because it looks like it's ombre. So for this vlog, I am going to play around with black temporary hair color. It only takes 5 minutes to do. This is what it's going to look like. So I bet this is what it's going to come out to be for my hair today. This is actually meant to be for my sister. She bought this in Japan when she wanted to get her hair to be color black, but she's now blonde, so it's the complete opposite of what she wants to do. I am going to be doing this at home. Don't worry, I'm going to be changing out of my shirt. Sayang, it's so cute. Stay tuned and let's see how this is going to go, because I honestly do not know how dark it's going to end up on my hair, and I don't know how much of these packets I'm supposed to use. I have a feeling I'm going to be using 2 for the first go, and then this one sort of like to add later on. But of course, before anything starts, I want to remind you guys to like, to comment, and to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification button. Where is it? It's here. The notification button right over here, so that you always get notified when I have new videos out. So if you've been following me on Instagram, if you've been watching my vlogs, I do try to release content every Monday at 10 or at 11 a.m. So please stay tuned for my videos, and I promise to keep making as much content as I can for you guys. I get stumped sometimes because of the ECQ, but don't worry, I have been listening to you guys. I was just really busy this week, so it's going to be a cute, quick little vlog. I'm going to try and create the cooking ones that I promised you next week. Without further ado, let's color my hair black. Okay, so before I get started, let me show you what things I'm going to be using today. So first will be Devil's Trick Killer black hair color. It says to do it in 5 minutes, but I'm probably gonna leave it a little bit longer. Next, gloves. I only have one. I got this from one of the hair color boxes that I did before, so I'm going to be using my right hand because I'm right-handed. A clip, a comb to help spread the color so that it's nice and even, and also to brush my hair before it. These scissors, because I will have to cut this open, and of course, a towel, because you don't want to stain your clothes. First, get a dark towel, put this clip on to hold it in place. Gloves. The first packet. So I'm going to section my hair first. Fendi, if you're watching this, don't worry, it says it's only supposed to last for a week, but I hope it just tones down the red in my hair. Not the biggest fan of that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be needing more than one packet for my hair today. And then so one side is done, and so are my bangs. Time to do the other side of my head. One packet down. Okay, you guys, and there you have it. I have just semi-successfully colored my hair black, so we're just going to wait a few more minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, so time to rinse my hair, and then I'll dry it a little bit. Time to wash my hair. So it's off to the bathroom I go, and then I will dry it here in front of you guys. Okay, so I just washed my hair already. My blow dryer is not gonna reach where I shoot my vlogs, so I'm just going to dry it, and then I'm going to get back to you guys. And voila! My hair is, well, here, it's dark brown. It's not exactly black, so if you guys are looking for that real jet black, raven black sort of hair, this hair color that I used is not necessarily the best or the one that I would suggest for you guys to use, but if it's just like a quick fix, like let's say for me right now. I actually really do love it though, because it reminds me of how my hair really actually is. Oh my goodness, I'm actually loving it. I think I'm gonna keep this color for now. I'm really happy. We'll see if I don't get tempted to do anything else to my hair, but you know, honestly, what else is there can I do? I love it, and I hope you do too, and let me know in the comments down below if you do, and if you have any suggestions actually for future vlogs that I can do. So yeah, now I'm going to live my Lisa Manoban fantasy from Blackpink. I won't lie though, when I saw her with black hair and this cover, this photo, I was like, I just colored my hair green at that time and I was thinking, should I have gone black? I genuinely love how it emphasized her look, so I got inspired by that. The thing is, I never went through with it, but now I did and I love it. There you have it, my DIY black hair color. I won't say that I am also the best at coloring my hair. So thank you so much for watching, you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button right over here. And if ever you do watch any of my videos, please let me know in my stories so that I can restory them. And it would be nice to get to chat with you as well if you do watch them. So for now, stay safe, stay healthy, take care everyone, and enjoy your week. And until the next vlog, bye!